Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because today we're talking about a tiny house that's got more flair than my buddy Keith's karaoke rendition of Bohemian Rhapsody after 2 margaritas. Meet Lucille, the sassiest, most color-confident micromansion you've ever laid eyes on. She's small, sure, but packs more personality per square foot than my neighbor's entire HOA board. Before we slide headfirst into the bright red drawers, pale blue fridge, and hand-painted hardware that looks like it was picked out by a caffeinated interior designer with a crayon addiction, in the best way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Trust me, your feed needs more color, chaos, and tiny house comedy. Welcome to CampAvto. Now, back to Lucille. She's rolling strong on a 24-foot, 7.3 meters, double-axle trailer and gives you 254 square feet, 23.6 square meters, of livable real estate, including a loft bedroom that will definitely work your hamstrings. This build comes from the fine folks at Decathlon Tiny Homes out in Texas, and let me tell you, they know how to combine southern charm with IKEA on a sugar rush energy. I think what I like the most is how unapologetically loud this house is. The kitchen punches you in the face with red cabinets, balances it with sky blue uppers, and then throws in a vintage Galanz fridge for good measure. It's like cooking inside a Wes Anderson film. You even get a full-size range, deep farmhouse sink, butcher block countertops, and storage that would make a squirrel jealous. The layout is classic, kitchen in the center, living room and bathroom on opposite ends, with stairs leading to the loft, which, by the way, is basically a sunroom you have to crawl into. 3 windows and a skylight turn what should feel like a blanket fort into a peaceful little cloud of daylight and breeze. I believe this is what separates Lucille from her more beige competition. As for the bathroom, huge wardrobes, a custom vanity sink, full-size shower, and a regular toilet, because some of us still fear composting. The living room is compact but not claustrophobic thanks to high ceilings and exposed beams. You can throw a sofa in there, wall-mount a TV, and still have room to host movie night, if your guests are cool with sitting knee to knee. Now, here's the kicker. Lucille starts at $89,570, 83,200 euros, and while that does include basics like a fridge, microwave, and 30-gallon, 113.5 L, water heater, extras like the skylight and ceiling fans are optional, which is a polite way of saying, bring your wallet, and maybe your credit counselor. So, if you're into bold colors, clever storage, and crawling into bed like a ninja every night, Lucille might just be your gal. And if you want more tiny house tours served with sarcasm and specs, don't forget, the link is under the video. Yes, that link. And hey, if you've laughed, learned, or at least snorted through your nose once, consider becoming a sponsor of CampAvto for just $1 a month. That's less than a pack of gum, and you help keep the jokes bad and the reviews honest. Links in the description, right where your mouse is hovering.